Hi, good morning. I wanted to share a milestone that I reached today. I reached 20 years at my current place of employment. So that is a blessing, and to be there, come this far for 20 years, it's been some ups and downs. It's been a lot of challenges within those 20 years. Um, and you'll see, um, you know, this is me, back in 2006. So you can see in the way I look now, look more professional, So there's one person that helped me make this transformation, in my career, and I want to thank him, you know, um, his name was Brett. So, if it wasn't for him, I don't think I would have made it this far. Um, and there was other factors as well. I started out as a temp, kind of worked my way up, worked on the line, worked as a material handler. That's the picture I just showed you. Then I became a production coordinator, and then HR came to me and said, you can't go no higher. You need a degree. And that time, I had to make a decision. I was on second shift, right? The hours were 4 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. Now, mind you, at that same time, I also had two part-time jobs. So I was trying to work that in, work full-time, and also, on the weekends we would get overtime. So it was a challenge, but I took it upon myself. I said, I'm going to go ahead and get this degree. So I talked to my manager, worked out a schedule, right? I would come to work, leave, go to school, come back to work and finish. So did that for 4 years. It was rough. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was hard. But if I can do that, I think anybody can do that. You just have to push yourself and apply yourself. But I want to say that, since I reached my 20 years, I've been thinking about a lot, and you've probably seen some posts. I'm posting about finance and maybe some of my t-shirts and e-commerce stores and whatnot. But that's what I want to talk to you about today is, don't let nothing stop you. If you have a dream or if you have an idea, please, by all means, do it. It's gonna be a lot of fear. I had fear when I started. I had doubts. But I'm telling you today, just go ahead and do it. Whatever you have a passion for, wherever you have, whatever you want to start. If you want to start a business, please do it. If you want to start a side hustle, do it today. Do not waste time. If there's probably only one thing I regret is I wish I would have started what I'm doing now 20 years ago. But timing was probably bad or something, but everything happens for a reason. So that's how I'm going to take it. Right now is probably the best time to do what I'm doing. So, I'm going to continue. Yes, it's hard. And you have to get over it. There's going to be a lot of obstacles. Even right now, what I'm facing is, it seems like something doesn't want me to be successful, but I'm going to keep pushing through it. There's been days where I feel like I just want to give up, even though I just started in March. So it's August now. So, but I'm going to keep going. Because I truly believe that what I'm doing, it will help somebody. And I also will be able to, survive off this one day, hopefully. But I want to remind you, if you have an idea, a passion, don't be scared. Just go ahead and do it. That's the only way you're going to learn, see if it works. You got to do it. So please, if you have an idea, passion, you want to start a side hustle, please do it now. Don't wait. The best time to do it is yesterday. Thank you. Bye-bye.